Hello teachers, as you all know that the team app that we use in our mobile phone is totally different from the one that we use in our laptop. And at the same time, if you are using your mobile phone to take the online class on this new from this new Microsoft ID, you may not be able to get the Meet Now button in your mobile phone app. At the same time, you will get that button easily, Meet Now, if you are using your laptop. So now I'm going to tell you that by using your mobile phone, how you can get that Meet Now button, or how you can use your desktop team app, because every time it is not possible for us to use the laptop. Okay, so now as you all can see, if you open the team app, you will get the classes like this, and if you click on any of the class, you won't get Meet Now button. Here you can get other options, but in mobile app there are so many options which are missing. So what we will do now, we will just open the browser, and here you can also type office.com, but if you want to go directly, if you want to directly log into your Microsoft account, so what you have to do is you just have to write Microsoft team login. So from here, Microsoft team, you will click on Microsoft Teams. So now this website will open, Microsoft Team. Here you have to click on sign in option. I think many of you have already faced this problem that your browser version is not supported. Quickest solution, download the mobile app. Now it is asking you to download the mobile app, which you are already having. But now what we want to use the desktop version, means we want to use it on the browser. So what we will do, as you can all see the three dots here. So I will just click on three dots, and here I am finding the option of desktop site. So I will just click on the desktop site. So it will automatically sign me in to the team app with my Microsoft ID, because I have already logged in with my Microsoft ID. So as you can see that my desktop version is open now. So to initiate a call, I will just click on any of the class, and here I'll get the Meet Now button, this one. And from by pressing this button, now I can directly start a class, and you will get. So now you can see different teams here, means different classes here. So whichever class you want to take, what you will do is just simply you will click on that class, and afterwards you will see different channels here. Channels means the subjects names here. So suppose if I want to take the English class, so I will just click on the English, and after clicking on the English channel, I will now click on the Meet Now button. So basically what will happen, that at the student end, means student, when suppose the student is online and he has also opened, click on 8th B team. So what student will see, that your Meet Now button will appear right opposite to the English channel, means the students will come to know that the right now English class is going on, because the Meet Now button is appearing opposite the English class. So same way, if you want to take the maths class, you just have to click on the maths channel first, and then click on this Meet Now button. Okay, so basically if you click on the Meet Now button, first time it will ask you to set your settings first. For example, if I just click on this Meet Now button, see, it is now asking me to either allow what team.microsoft wants to use your camera and microphone. So if you click on block, then you won't be able to record your video or sound because you have blocked it. So what you have to do is you just have to click on the allow option, so that the team app use your microphone and your camera. After clicking on the meet now button, allow button, it will ask me to meet now. Here I have option of this video, means I can switch off my video and switch on my video through this option. So when I click on the meet now button, you all will see this panel here. This panel. So here we have different options. If I want, the first is that I don't want to show my screen, so that's why I just cross this. Now I have mute option. I can mute myself by clicking this, and this option is of screen sharing, means you can share the screen of your phone. For example, right now I have not opened anything, so if you want to share anything from phone, then first you have to open it in your phone, and afterwards that option will appear here. By clicking on three dots, you will get the option of start recording, means by clicking on this button you can start recording your lecture. Okay, and when your meeting will be end, the first thing before clicking on this red hang up button, what you have to do, if you have started the recording, then you will get the option of stop recording. Okay, so before end up the meeting, you have to stop your recording, because if you will not click on the stop recording, your recording may continue. Okay, and then maybe you feel the problem because all the things will recorded if you will not click on this button. And the one more thing to remember is this: here you will get the option of end meeting. If you will just simply click on this hang up button, this red button, then what will happen, that you will be out of the call, but the meeting will still continue. Okay, the students will be able to connect with each other, but you will be disconnected through this button. So if you want to end this meeting which is started by you, then you have to click on this end meeting option. Okay, only then the meeting will be end. So these are the options, and end meeting button you will get this option end meeting only when you start your meeting, and if any other person has started the meeting, then you will not get this end meeting option at your end. Okay, and afterwards this raise hand button, you have to click here, click on this option if you have any query. As a student, if as a teacher, if you want to ask any question, then you can just click on this hand button. Okay, now show conversation, this button will let you enter in the chat room. Okay, so basically after clicking on this one, you will be out of your call, so you can click here again to get into the call, and this button will show the participants. This button will show the participant. All the students who will take your call will appear here. Okay, so if you want to take the attendance of the student, you can get the screenshot from here only. Okay, so in this way you can be the part of this team software from your mobile phone also. Okay, basically you get this option when you use your desktop, because if you are using your phone to connect with the students, you may not get all the options like record the lecture. Okay, and sharing all the things, end meeting, and also this meet now option. So you have to be the part of your laptop, means you have to use it through laptop, and if you want to use it from your phone, you can use it this way. Okay, so thank you, teachers.